this printable sewing pattern in the description. Cut and glue this pattern with a sticky tape. Identical details for front and back. Don't forget folding line. Add seam allowance. I suggest add 1 centimeter. For bottom part, cut 5 circle details. Don't forget folding line. Make 1 cut on all bottom circle details. Transparent fabric, so I decided to add linen for the top part of the dress. Here I cut linen. Cut 2 identical details. Don't forget folding line. Sew only top part. Sew neckline and armhole seam on both front and back parts. Iron these parts. Make all these steps for both front and back parts. Hand stitch and sew together vertical seams of the dress. Measure the dress from the bottom with a ruler to make sure the bottom of the dress is even. The bottom of the dress can stretch out differently, depending on what type of fabric you use. Measure the bottom of the linen part the same as you did for top part. Sew all 5 circle details into 1 long string. Have 1 long bottom detail made from 5 circle details. Sew long bottom detail to the bottom of the dress. I sew it only to the main dress fabric. I left linen part hang separately and didn't connect it to the dress. bottom of the dress.